okay, let them see. Trouble no.
Oh my god.
Bwiza, say hi.
Now we can move it.
What is it?
Hey, let's run. Okay.
Nice to meet
The reason we're doing this is because the Sherry Silver Foundation, it's not just about the kids, it's about the community, and it's just about uplifting East Africa, Africa as a whole, in every way we can. So every year at the Silver Gala, we want to be able to do something special. So we've had designers fly in from around East Africa, and they're about to present to you and prove to you why they deserve to win $5,000. To kickstart their business or push it higher. I just want to introduce the judges over there, if we can get a spotlight on table 42. We have all the way from the US, Hugo Mosier, please stand up. He designed Diana Ross's dress at the Met Gala. If you saw that dress, that white one, he's the one that designed it. He's worked with everyone from Jackie Chan to... Miss Joy is actually Miss Rwanda 2016. She's also the first Miss Rwanda to represent Rwanda in Miss Universe. She's a fashion icon, deeply admired here in our home country, Rwanda. And we thank you so much for doing this. When I asked everyone, if I am someone that has supported me for a very long time, enjoy the show.